Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today we're going to see if we can make a ChatGPT Ads campaign in 5 minutes or less. Now, to get started, I'm going to assume that you already have an ads account that's been approved. If not, just go to ads.openai.com and sign up there. You're going to have to go through 3 hoops if that's the case. The first is that you actually have to get into the Ads Manager beta, which usually takes a few days. And then you have to, once you're in, usually provide your EIN or some form of business verification, along with putting a business logo in the settings. And then you set up a test campaign like we're going to do in this video. If that's taking forever or you're in the middle of that, don't worry, you're not behind. This is super early days, and there's a lot of frustrating things and a lot of good things about this platform. So let's create our first campaign. Go up here to create and then create campaign. We're just going to call this OpenAI test campaign. And then your objective for most people will be either reach or clicks. 99% of people should just go for clicks for right now. And then the thing to note here is that you can set country targeting limited currently to the United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and New Zealand, but you can also set lower state or DMA regions. So for example, if I wanted to advertise in only Portland, Oregon, for example, I could do that, or I could go to San Antonio or any other place in the United States that's in a DMA region. The minimum daily budget is $25, so we'll set that right there. And then for our conversion event, if you do add them, I have selected lead. I'm not going to do an end date, but my start date will basically be as soon as possible, and we'll move on to our ad group. For our ad group, they basically set a minimum floor of $3 USD per click. We'll call this OpenAI test ad group, and then I'll put in my ad URL here. But this does support UTM parameters, and we want to get a sense of how this ad is performing. So I went over here to the Google Analytics campaign URL builder, which pretty much everybody has used since the beginning of time to set up their UTMs. And I've set everything here: my website URL, my campaign source, my campaign medium of CPC, and then my campaign name of test campaign. And then I'll also put in the content of my ad, which is free audit. So it generates it down here, and I will copy this and go right back over and put that right here, just like that. Now for my context hints, I'm just going to run a test to people that are looking for help with their Google ads. The nice thing about context hints is there are so many different ways that you can go with this, and I have another video dedicated purely to this topic. Excellent. Let's move on to our ad. So as you can see, the ad URL has inherited from the ad group, and we'll just call this OpenAI test ad. I'm giving away a free Google Ads audit, and I manage 50 million in annual ad spend. Excellent. The only other thing that I have to do here is put in an image, face right there, looking great. So I'll put this into review, and boom, we have a campaign, and I did it in 5 minutes or less. If you have any questions, leave me a comment in the description below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.